Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add realistic dust to your 3D model in Substance Painter, using just one simple generator. Let's get started. First, create a new fill layer. Now pick a dark color, something that looks like fine dust or dirt. Next, right-click the layer and add a black mask. This hides the dust completely for now. We'll use a generator to bring it back in the right places. Right-click the mask and choose Add Generator. Then, in the generator list, select MG Mask Editor or Dirt Generator. Both work great, but the Dirt Generator is the fastest option for dust effects. As soon as you add it, you'll see dust appear automatically on the model, mainly in crevices and flat surfaces. Now tweak the generator settings to control the look. And that's it. You've got a quick, realistic dust layer, all done automatically with a generator. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!